Then secondly, you could have also done using the COUNTIF. So you could have done using COUNTIF. Okay. So you can say COUNTIF the range, and what the criteria you want. You want the criteria to be less than or equal to 8. Okay. And you press enter. So and you see that message has come. Okay. Why? Because like till now we were used to this hard coding of these 8 values. So see, when I do this hard coding of 8 value using this, it will work. Okay. But I don't want to hard code. Okay. I don't want to hard code. I want to bring this here. Will it work? See, it is giving me 0 less than equal to F4. Right? For this, we have to understand something which is a new concept we have. We have to understand concatenation. So concatenation means joining of string. Okay, and I'm not going to explain to you any function and all, but you see this and is a concatenation operator. Okay, as an example, suppose I write India is great. Okay. And I want to write India is great in one cell. Okay, what I will do? This and this and this. Okay. Now if I press enter, you'll see it is like, it looks India is great, but there is no space in between. Okay. But it has combined these 3. Okay. So if you want to bring some space, you can put, see what I have done, I have put double quote and empty space in between. Okay. So double quote and empty space. So try to understand this formula. What is this formula? K5 is this value, and you are saying K5 concatenate with empty string. Then that concatenate with is, which is L5. Then concatenate with empty string. Okay, and then concatenate with M5, and you get this India is great over here. Right? Now if I want here less than equal to F4, but F4 is actually 8, what we should do? We should say less than equal to under, and then we say ampersand and we say F4. Okay. The moment we do this, what will happen? See, this will get concatenated, F4 value will be taken. Okay, it will become 8, and we press enter. See, it has correctly taken the values. So whenever, and let's say if I fix this, okay, I can drag it. Okay. The issue is that I am counting less than, but I'm not counting greater than. So we have, that's why this cumulative has come. So what we can do is we can say COUNTIFs. Okay. So what is the criteria range, and then what is the criteria? First one will be this, second one will be, okay, so first one will be this, the second one will be this, but the second one it will have one more criteria, greater than and ampersand 8. Okay, it has to be ifs, right? Okay. Okay, criteria range we did not give. The second one we have to give the criteria range. Sorry, it's criteria range. Okay, so see this. So it is counted as 51. So you can use COUNTIFs also to get the values. Right? The benefit of this COUNTIFs is that it will work for string. Also, it will work for numbers. However, this frequency, the frequency function or data analysis toolpath function will not work for non-numeric values. That you have to be careful. So you cannot actually, this frequency table I can create using the COUNTIF functions. Okay, so I can use COUNTIF function and get this populated. Okay, right? But I cannot use frequency function. I cannot use frequency and I say that this is my data array. Okay, and I would say F4, comma, this is my bins array. Okay, and I say Control Shift Enter, it will give me 0, because frequency function will only work in the numeric data, not in the textual data. Right? But here, if you want COUNTIFs, you can easily work with the COUNTIFs. So frequency distribution, okay, you can do using a COUNTIF frequency function. Remember, it's an array function or analysis toolpath. These are the three things you can use.